This is our 0 to 0 matrix. Matrix 1, matrix 2 for Powerball 323 2026, okay? Now, if you want to know instructions on how to use this matrix, go to the first posting. I'm just going to go over the 0, 0, okay? For those who've been around a while. I take a 0 and I got a 45-degree angle from each 0, okay? I look at what 0 is pointing at another 0. This 0 is pointing at this 0 at a 45-degree angle. That's going to have a winning number. 0 points at this 0. Okay, it's close enough. That's going to have a winning number. Okay, this 0 points at that 0. Do I have two of them there? Yes, here. Another 0. That should be red. That should be red. Okay. That should be red also. So we have two zeros, this one and this one, pointing at this 0. There'll be two numbers there. This 0 is pointing at this 0. Okay. Now when I did my ledge to ledge, all these outside zeros were yellow. Now I can turn them red because I have a 0 pointing at it. It's going to be a number here. This 0 pointing at this 0. It's going to be a number here. Okay. These two zeros are right in the middle of these two. So I'm counting two numbers going to be at each one here. Could be a combination. I don't know. Boy, I suck at this. 67, 67, 18, 18. 27, 27. I don't know. I can't pick. This is all I can do. Now this 0 is pointing at this 0. This 0 is pointing at this 0. There's probably two numbers there. I colored it red just to be safe. So I still don't like the outside red 0. Sometimes they fool you. But you have two zeros pointing at this 0. So there should be two numbers there, but I colored it red. This 0 is pointing at this 0, something here. This 0 is pointing at this 0, something here. Nothing here, nothing here, okay? So I don't know if that's going to be used or not. This one here, top, I like how these zeros tell me which ones at the top are going to be in play, because as you should notice, the ledge lines, this ledge doesn't reach this 0, so I don't know anything about that 0. But since I'm doing a 45-degree angle from each 0, it tells me there's something going to be here, okay? Something going to be here. This 0 is pointing at this 0, something going to be here. This 0 pointing at this 0, okay? 0 pointing at this 0. I almost can do this now that I'm looking at it, without even drawing the lines. So this 0 is pointing at this 0. This 0 is pointing at this 0. Two lines this way, probably two numbers there. I'm going to color it red to be sure. And actually three. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines pointing. There's definitely going to be two numbers there. I colored it red just to be safe, but there should be two numbers there. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to combine the ledge lines with the 0 to 0s. It makes it really complicated. Either system that you use, the ledge lines or the 0 to 0. 0 to 0 is a little bit more specific, I believe. I don't know. But I'm sorry that all these zeros have to be colored in. But our matrix is that good. We just got a lot of winning numbers around the zeros. Look at it that way. Got a lot of winning numbers around the zeros. Whereas if you go to other sites, they got nothing. They got guesswork. All guesswork. We're not guessing here. And we are a little bit. Okay, we're guessing at one or two numbers around the zeros, but we know the winning numbers around the zeros. Okay? It's matrix 2. Matrix 1. Like I said, this is the same as 321 matrix. Okay, it's the same matrix as the last Powerball draw. Okay, so you can look at, let me see here, where is it? That's it right there. You notice 84, 126. And this one 84, 126. Same matrix. So those are matrix the same as today for 323. This is 321. Okay. Those are the winning numbers. I'm going to do the same thing. I'll do the ledge lines and 0, 0. Okay. As always, play on paper. Save your money. We're going to figure this out, man. For entertainment purposes only. For entertainment purposes only, we're going to figure out the lottery. The big one. We're going to figure it out. The secret will be unveiled to the few that come. All right, stick with me, guys. Learn something new today. Hopefully, you guys can learn something and put it in the comments for me, please. Your thoughts do count, okay? You really do. I have one friend that calls me all the time. She gives me all kind of ideas. Couldn't do it without her. Catch you guys later.